Hello and welcome to the CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst, CySA Plus, Certification Study Guide. In this video, we will discuss Chapter 1, Key Terms and the Introduction. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Chapter 1, Key Terms. Cloud computing and on-demand infrastructure to a shared pool of configurable computing resources that can be rapidly provisioned and released. Configure file location, the area where an operating system stores configuration files. Containerization, a reduced instance of virtualization. Critical infrastructures, important operational technology, OT systems that provide vital services to a wide range of users. Extensive markup language, XML, one of the first common data exchange formats that uses markup symbols to define data. File structure, a storage format on a device. Hardware architecture, the design and organization of the physical components that make up a computer system. Hybrid, a cloud computing environment that is a combination of public and private clouds. Industrial control systems, or ICSs, are systems that collect, monitor, and process real-time data. They enable machines to directly control devices like valves, pumps, and motors without the need for human intervention. Then, there's JavaScript Object Notation, commonly known as JSON. It's a data exchange format that's both concise and compact. Network segmentation involves creating different security zones within a network, each with varying levels of access. This design enhances security by isolating sensitive areas. When we talk about on-premises, we're referring to computing resources that are located on the organization's campus. Operational technology, or OT, uses hardware and software to monitor and control physical processes, as well as the devices connected to the infrastructure that support these processes. PowerShell is a task automation and configuration management framework from Microsoft. And finally, Python is a popular programming and scripting language that can run on several different operating system platforms. Regular expression, or regex, is a special string of text for describing a search pattern. Serverless refers to a cloud infrastructure in which the capacity planning, installation, setup, and management are all invisible to the user because the cloud provider handles them. A shell script is a text file that contains a sequence of commands for a Linux or Unix operating system. Software-defined networking, or SDN, is a technology that virtualizes parts of the physical network so that it can be more quickly and easily reconfigured. Supervisory control and data acquisition, or SCADA, involves multiple industrial control systems that are managed by a larger system. System processes are a special category of operating system processes that are responsible for managing memory allocations, hosting operating system drivers, and managing other processes. Virtualization is a means of managing and presenting computer resources by function without regard to their physical layout or location. The Windows registry is a hierarchical database that contains configuration settings for Windows applications and the operating system. Introduction. As the need for high-level cybersecurity personnel becomes increasingly critical in order to protect an organization's assets, the CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst, or CySA Plus, certification stands out as one of the premier certifications for cyber professionals. CySA Plus is designed for cyber workers who are tasked with incident detection, prevention, and response through continuous security monitoring. The certification equips them to demonstrate competency regarding current cyber attacks and defenses. It also provides the skills and knowledge to proactively monitor and detect systems by analyzing indicators of malicious activity using the most up-to-date methods and tools, such as threat intelligence, security information, and event management, endpoint detection and response, and extended detection and response. And it equips cyber employees with the ability to respond to threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities, and then communicate with stakeholders to address security analysis and compliance. Although CySA Plus is considered an advanced certification, it is important to first have a solid basis in key areas, sometimes called underpinnings. A physical underpinning is the material and construction of a foundation that is used for support of a structure. The word is also figuratively used to refer to anything that serves as a foundation, basis, or support, such as the philosophical underpinnings of a classical education. In cybersecurity, there are foundational topics that serve as the underpinnings upon which security rests. Having a good understanding of these topics is important, for without the knowledge of the foundations, it is difficult or even impossible to provide protections over them. In this chapter, you review technology underpinnings. These can be broken down into infrastructures and architectures and software foundations. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you are unable to do that, you will need to log in. Creating a YouTube account is free and takes less than a minute. To see more videos like this, please click in the rectangle in the middle of your screen. To see other videos from this channel, please click the circle on the bottom right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.